My name is Aman and I joined QSpiders in the month of January. And talking about my experience with QSpiders, it has been fantastic, very fantastic. And the way of teaching of Brahma and Vijay sir is next level. You can say if I have any doubt, Vijay sir instantly calls and solve that doubt. And the way of teaching of Brahma sir is also very good. He teaches every concept in very depth. So because of both Brahma and Vijay sir, I got placed into a company. And talking about the behavior of here staff is also very good. They are very cooperative. Like Kulsum ma'am, here is very cooperative. Mishita ma'am and other teachers like Sandeep sir is also very good. And so all I can say is that I have enjoyed very good time here at Q Spiders. So that's all. Thank you.